This how to 1 minute will show you how to add GoDaddy domain to Shopify. Follow these easy and step-by-step guide to add your GoDaddy domain to Shopify store. First of all, log into your GoDaddy account and come to this My Product page. And now this is the domain I want to add to my Shopify store. So I'm clicking on DNS. Now I'm copying my domain and going to my Shopify store. Once you are in your Shopify dashboard, click on Settings. And here select Domains. And click on Connect Existing Domain. Here write www. And enter here your GoDaddy domain. And now go to your GoDaddy account and in this DNS management page you have to select DNS records, and we will add two records here. One is a record and another is CNAME record. So click on Add New Record. Click on this Type drop down and here select CNAME, and in this name field write www, and in this value field types shops.myshopify.com and leave this TTL field default and click on Save. Once the CNAME record created, click on Add New Record. And here select A, and in this name field type @ and in the value field enter this server and click on Save. Now go to your Shopify store again and click on Verify Connection. If you entered a record and CNAME record correctly, then you will see here a successful message. So that's how we can add GoDaddy domain to Shopify. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.